from last 2 months. Finally here it is, this POCO X2. Today I got this from Flipkart. Yesterday I ordered it. Thanks Flipkart for the speed delivery. Here it we go. Yeah. Let's look at it, how it is. Yeah, here you can see the box POCO X2 with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal memory.
Let's open this box. This time, opening this apples gently so that it should not
Yeah, it is having 64 megapixel camera and it is 120 Hz refreshment rate. Super fast charging. Yeah, here you can see it is purple and I have this charger. It is 6.13 inches. Yes. Inside the box I got this charger which is C-type. Let me look for user manual. Yeah, here it is. It's user guide. There we go. And I have this back cover also. Nice. Yeah, it is of 16,999. I got it in Flipkart. Let's say it is having dual SIM. Let's look at the features of this beautiful mobile. It's Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G and 64 plus 2 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel high resolution. Then Corning Gorilla Glass and batteries of 450 mAh. Then it is of fast charging. Then what else? Then UI quad camera, it is good for selfie actually, 20 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. And RealityFlow, it is having high refresh rate of 120 Hz. Yeah. Then it is of matrix purple, 6 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM. Let's switch on this and let's look at how it is. Here we go. Just turn on the light. Yeah, it is operating system is Android 10.